Hormones send messages from one part of the body to another. And as you get older, these hormones start to tell the body to get ready to have babies. So what begins to happen is your hypothalamus releases GnRH, which affects a different organ called your pituitary gland. And that pituitary gland releases two main hormones, LH and FSH. And the FSH tells your body to get ready to make a baby. So it starts affecting the insides of your belly and tells it that we need to get ready to make a baby in here. And it also releases estrogens, which is important because the LH also does a similar thing in your tummy as the FSH, but it starts to tell your body to make the ingredients for those estrogens so they can be released more. And what those estrogens do is they start to develop the secondary sex characteristics. And for you, it's going to be your breasts are going to get larger, and the mammary ducts that carry and store the milk will also grow. And you'll begin to store fat in your breast and your thighs and your buttocks, so those will get bigger. And also, you'll have an increased amount of blood that goes to your skin. Another thing that affects your sex characteristics is your androgens, which are male hormones. So high levels make more male characteristics. That's why males are hairier. They have increased protein that makes their muscles, that goes to their muscles and makes them bigger. And low levels are what make a woman look more womanly, which is the narrow shoulders and stuff like that. So basically, the FSH, the LH, and the estrogens will be telling your body we're mature enough, or our body is mature enough at least, to begin the process of making a baby. Whereas their side effects start to create secondary sex characteristics which have evolved as a way to communicate between one person and another that they are of an age where they're able to make babies. That's seen in nature all the time, like a bird will have different colored feathers once it's able to have babies, or any sorts of things like that. And there's going to be all sorts of changes going on in your body due to these hormonal changes, including your voice may change, you're going to get hairier, your different parts are going to get bigger, different parts are going to get smaller, and due to all these imbalances, you'll get acne.